If trains haven't been run in a while, it's a good idea to first send out a track inspection car. Sometimes tree branches or loose rocks need to be removed from the tracks. However, this inspection car found all the ties in one section of the track had completely disintegrated. What was worse, this section was on a bridge. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun breaks down some plastics. Garden railroad ties are made from a plastic containing ultraviolet inhibitor which protects them. However, some manufacturers' ties are more UV resistant than others. Knowing this, the shop acquired some replacement ties from AML, which is a division of Accucraft. These flex track ties are a universal replacement for ties on straight, curved, or flexible rails. The work train with the tool car arrives at the site with all the tools and parts necessary to make the repair. Fortunately, the bad section was right near a rail clamp. Allen key is used to loosen the rail clamp screws. A pick is a very useful tool for removing clamps that have done a good job and bitten down onto the rails. These ties have deteriorated to the point that the rails simply lift off while the ties fall completely apart. With the rails cleared of debris, the new ties simply slide onto the rails. Okay, maybe it's easier said than done, but you want the ties to be pretty tight onto the rails. Once the new ties are in place, the rail clamps are reinstalled. The tools are put back into the work train, so you'll have them ready when you need them again. And the work train is used to test out the repaired section of track before returning the line to operation. So if you learned anything from this video, consider recommending it to a friend, maybe give it a like, and if you'd like to learn some other tricks on garden railroad DIY and maintenance, consider subscribing to the channel.